Energy Minister continues to rip into JPS as the Light and Power Company is set to miss another timeline in the coming hours. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News and our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Kalisha Williams. Also this evening, Energy Minister issues charge to JPS to help small businesses suffering losses due to absence of electricity. And Hanover family plunged into mourning after double loss weeks apart. Stay with us. The news in detail right after this break.